Installation of retail store racks. Smart shelving solutions that enhance visibility and optimize store space. Durable retail racks designed for organized, high-impact product display. Engineered racks for efficient merchandising and smooth customer flow. Retail display racks designed to improve product visibility, store organization, and shopping convenience. High-strength racks engineered for continuous retail use, ensuring safety, stability, and durability. Efficient shelving systems that support systematic merchandising and optimized floor